fighting. Oh, you mean real? I'm talking right now. Okay, see, I'm gonna shock him. He looks like I'm in right here. Okay, we are not play fighting. This is for real. For real, I tell you, for real. I'm just gonna drag him over here. I'm gonna go with you, but let me do my move. 1, 2, 3. Jimmy Simon. See, now that is serious. Very fucking serious. Alright, now this is. Alright, now peace. Alright, it's about to get serious. So, don't complain. See, look. This is a coupon to see Justin Bieber. My coupon, pendeja. Look, this is a ticket to see Justin Bieber's new concert. Now I just got serious. It's all fine. I am good. Alright, now I just got serious. Let's go, little boy. No, right here. Don't move your ankles. Don't move your ankles. I'm gonna pick him up now. Now let me do it. Let me flip you. Oh man, now this just got serious. Real fucking serious. Come on guys, count with me. 1. Oh, darn it. Never mind. 1. Hold on. Hold on. One second. 1. Hold on. Hold on. What? Oh, why am I not Jack? Now, no more fighting now. We're just being retarded. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. You're burning my elbow. Alright, we just played now. Alright, you see me. 2. I'm gonna pin on him. 1, 2. I'm all good. Did you see my thumb? Alright, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. It's all fine. Here, buy this on the internet. $1 for the see Justin Bieber's new concert. Alright, let's go this sucks before it stops again. 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. No, he won. He
Tumo
won.
diyan, tumahan. Oh.
Oh, right. Now, come on. We agree to say hi to all you fellows who just watched this dumb video of ours.
Habaz. Hi. Hi. Hi, Mama.
Now, I gotta tell him my secret. Get away from my business.
Okay, guys, this is my real voice.
You could have the ticket if you want. Here you go.
Justin Bieber concert Friday.
Nah, skin. I don't know what the fuck it is.
Buy it on the internet. Woo! Dog.
Only one admit. Deuces. Wee.